Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Limoneira's fourth quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. We'll cover key financial performance metrics and dig into insights from the earnings call. All right, let's go. Starting with top-line revenue, the original estimate for Q4 was $42.45 million. The company actually reported revenue of $43.86 million, surpassing expectations by 3.3%. This quarterly revenue also marked a 5.9% increase compared to the $41.43 million reported in the same quarter last year. Moving to adjusted earnings per share, the original estimate for Q4 was a loss of 7 cents. The company actually reported a loss of 9 cents, falling short of expectations by 2 cents per share. However, this result reflects a 6 cents per share improvement compared to the loss of 15 cents per share reported in the same quarter last year. Now, let's dive into some additional performance metrics highlighted during the earnings call. Limoneira delivered impressive results in fiscal year 2024. The company achieved adjusted EBITDA of $26.7 million, a remarkable turnaround from a loss of $224,000 in the previous year. This substantial improvement reflects the success of their strategic initiatives and strong operational execution. Looking at the balance sheet, Limoneira maintains a solid financial position with a net debt of $37.6 million. What's particularly interesting is their joint venture's financial strength. It's sitting on $66.9 million in cash and has zero debt, with Limoneira's 50% share being approximately $33.5 million. This provides significant financial flexibility for future growth initiatives. In terms of agricultural production, Limoneira hit a significant milestone with avocado sales reaching 15.1 million pounds, their highest volume in nearly 15 years. Their fresh lemon business also performed well, with sales reaching 5 million cartons. The fourth quarter showed continued improvement in operational efficiency, with the operating loss narrowing to $2.8 million compared to a $9.7 million loss in the same period last year. Now, let's shift focus to some of the key insights and takeaways from the earnings call. Perhaps the most significant move is their planned expansion of avocado production, with plans to add 1,000 acres through fiscal year 2027. This expansion is particularly noteworthy given the strong margins in avocado production, with potential returns of $15,000 to $20,000 per acre compared to traditional lemon operations. The company is also making moves to monetize its valuable water rights, with meaningful transactions expected in 2025. This is particularly interesting given the ongoing water scarcity issues in the western United States and increasing value of water rights in key agricultural regions. Their real estate joint venture continues to show strong momentum, with approvals secured for an additional 550 residential units at their Harvest development project. This expansion includes 250 single-family homes and 300 multifamily rental units, representing a 37% increase in total dwelling units. Limoneira is also seeing increased penetration in the quick service restaurant (QSR) channel for their lemon business, which is expected to drive growth in fiscal year 2025. This diversification of their customer base should help stabilize revenues and potentially improve margins. A significant development for their real estate operations came from FEMA, which approved the revision of flood zone maps effective May 2025. This change eliminates mandatory flood insurance requirements for approximately 1,100 existing and future residents, which should enhance the attractiveness of their residential developments. Lastly, the company continues to evaluate strategic alternatives, having received significant interest from potential partners or buyers. While management remains committed to maximizing shareholder value, they're being appropriately cautious about providing specific details until there's something concrete to announce. Looking ahead, Limoneira appears well-positioned for continued growth, with multiple potential catalysts on the horizon. Their shift toward higher-margin avocado production, combined with their valuable water rights and real estate assets, creates multiple pathways for value creation. That wraps up our recap of Limoneira's fourth quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.